Want to control your Spotify music with just your voice? This video shows you how to link your Spotify account to your Alexa devices, like Echo speakers, for easy voice-controlled playback. As of January 2026, the integration is seamless and enhances your smart home experience. This allows you to easily manage and play music without needing to use your hands, improving productivity. First, grab your smartphone or tablet and open the Amazon Alexa app. This is where you'll manage your Alexa devices and connect to other services like Spotify. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed for the best experience. An outdated app may not have the latest features or security updates. Select Spotify from the list of music services in the Alexa app. You'll see Spotify highlighted as an option. You'll be prompted to link your Spotify account, which will redirect you to the Spotify login page. On the Spotify login page, enter your Spotify credentials, your username or email and password. If you have biometric verification enabled on your device, you may be asked to use that for extra security when logging in. After logging in, Spotify will ask you to authorize Alexa to access your account. This allows Alexa to control your Spotify playback, access your playlists, and more. Click Agree or Authorize to grant Alexa the necessary permissions. Don't worry, this is a secure process using OAuth 2.0. Now that Spotify is linked, try some voice commands. Say, Alexa, play my Discover Weekly on Spotify. Or Alexa, play artist song playlist on Spotify. You can also say, Alexa, add this song to my playlist. Experiment with different commands to explore the possibilities. Alexa now even supports AI-driven playlist curation, saying things like, Alexa, play a chill playlist for my workout. If you're experiencing issues with your Spotify Alexa integration, here are some troubleshooting steps to resolve common problems. First, ensure both your Alexa device and Spotify app are connected to the internet. A stable Wi-Fi connection is essential for the integration to work properly. Next, verify that you're using the correct Spotify username and password. Incorrect login details can prevent the account linking process. If the problem continues, try unlinking your Spotify account from Alexa and then linking it again. This often resolves authentication or synchronization issues. As of 2026, Alexa requires explicit consent for sharing data with third-party services like Spotify. Make sure your privacy settings allow this integration to function correctly. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most common issues. If you continue to experience problems, contact Spotify or Amazon support for further assistance.